To turn this into this, we'll be starting with the Delbridge bedroom set. This is an Amish furniture set that's very durable and handcrafted from real wood. We're using a white comforter set as the base and adding a black coverlet on top. We're going for a sleek look, so we're tucking in loose ends and folding over the top. Pillows help to create a full and plush look, but we don't want to overdo it. We are styling them in a very casual way. Pillows can also add beauty to the room through unique colors, patterns, or textures, like this stylish lumbar pillow. Adding different accessories to the bed, like a soft hand-woven throw or a marble tray, ties this look together, and it adds a bit of functionality to the space. This is a super simple look to achieve, especially if you're in a time crunch.